What could possibly go wrong? That's the majority of the rack made. The plan is to put all of the full sheets in that central box section just there, and then put all of the large metal offcuts on one side and all of the large wood offcuts on the other side. So the next job is to make some little dividers to go along the top, so that I can put all of the really small offcuts sort of segregated along the top section. And that's why I'm building a new rack. Yummy! Nice and organised now, lovely. If you'd like to help this channel, then please share this video. And if you haven't already, then hit that subscribe button. Cheers!